out of your wallet will greatly be appreciated as it will help us expedite the background process. Again, by the time you get to the front of the
Yeah.
What do you?
That's why I announced bagels, because I remember we walked past an Einstein Bros bagels.
I did see that.
Yeah.
What are you in the mood for?
Bagel.
Bagel? What kind of bagel?
And everything bagel with jalapeno cream cheese and a nice coffee.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah, I'm starving. The last meal I had was yesterday at 5 p.m. It was Subway.
Mm-hmm.
Biscon biscuit.
What's the verdict on the bagel?
Yummy.
Yummy. What's the verdict on the coffee? Good? Okay. It looks good.
Mm.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Where are we going? Hey. You made it.
May I?
You're not gonna know.
Well, no, I can slip past.
All right, everyone's here.
Southwest Airlines and especially this flight crew would like to be the first to welcome you to Buffalo. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables brought to their full upright and locked position. All those carry-on items completely stowed till we arrive at the gate, and the captain does turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please do use caution when